I think yung dun sa PI campaign, aside from may mga question nga doon kasi again, during the past budget deliberations, wala kasi yon, hindi namin nakita.
May kinalaman pa, like sinabi niyo by leaps and bounds, yung increase last year. So may kinalaman ba yung politics? Dahil nga, syempre noon ay close pa yung unit team. So, what's that doing?
Well, hindi ako finance chair noon eh. Wala rin ako sa BICAM. So, tanungin niyo sila. Kasi that's more, that has nothing much to do with the numbers but their decision-making process.
Ma'am, yung AKAP, i-merge ba yan sa AIX at magiging contentious issues like pagdating sa BICAM din? Para sa ni Speaker Romualdez, make sure na may babalik.
Well, alam mo, kaya rin naman namin, through the Vice Chair Finance, Senator Amy, ang ginawa dun sa AKAP, okay, kasi nga hindi namin masyadong maintindihan yon. So magandang pagdating sa BICAM ay malinawan, mabuti ng House, bakit importante ito at hindi ito umuulit lang sa isang proyekto ng gobyerno o isang programa. Ganito yon. So yung AKAP, imbis na naging AKAP dito sa Senado, naging additional pondo para sa senior citizens retirement pension, naging additional pondo sa Kalahi SIDS kung saan merong college assistance, merong child care assistance, naging additional pondo para sa livelihood programs, farmers and fisher folk. So meron pinaglipatan rin na nandun na naka-embed na social program. Kasi eto in broad understanding of what AKAP is, it's supposed to be assistance for the effects of inflation. Whereas AIX is really specific for indigents. Okay, ngayon, sino bang hindi apektado sa inflation? Lahat tayo, di ba? So we have to be a little bit more particular about how this will be distributed. Who are the recipients of AKAP? What are the criterias for it? So hindi naman natin sinasabing wag na, no? Pero tandaan natin, ang AKAP, we just restored it to the NEP, which is walang AKAP. And remember, the NEP is the DBMs in collaboration with the executives. So this is the President's budget. Diba? We can probably move things around, but at the end of the day, the NEP was the basis of what the Senate saw na walang AKAP. So now, silang naglagay noon ng House, we'll ask them, open BICAM. Bakit?
Naging factor po ba yung issue over AKAP previously kasi yung pinagsususpetsahan na ginamit for PI campaign, yung AKAP?
I think yung dun sa PI campaign, aside from may mga question nga doon kasi again, during the past budget deliberations, wala kasi yon, hindi namin nakita. Buti na lang, hindi nga ako nakapirma nun eh. Pero may mga nakapirma na nagulat na lang na nandun pala yon. So, I think to be fair to both houses, if there's a program that will really be for the benefit of our countrymen, we should mutually support it. But I think with an understanding of how it will actually help. So, hindi naman natin sinasabi na hindi mare-restore ito. Pero gusto lang namin malaman na ito ba talaga ay justified at hindi lang umuulit sa isang programa at ito ba talaga ay magiging benepisyo sa mga nangangailangan talaga. Kasi nga, very generalized yung to help with inflation. Kasi pwede naman mayaman pero apektado ng inflation, di ba? So, yun lang naman. Bukas naman tayo sa kanilang rason.
The final Senate version, is there a provision allowing the national government to sweep GOCC funds?
Sorry ha, I think nauna kasi siyang magtanong sa'yo. So, hindi ko lang, I just wanted you to finish, but I'll get back to you. Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Hi, ma'am. Ma'am, if ever po na i-push ng House na ibalik yung AKAP budget
Saan niyo po nakikita na kukuhain ito since we already like moved around the 39 billion?
Yun yung magiging diskusyon, di ba? Na kailangan, siguro yung mga ibang advocacy projects namin, kung masasabi ng House na hindi mapupunuan rin ito ng AKAP. Okay. So, ayoko silang pangunahan, pero ganun talaga pagdating sa BICAM. Kung hindi mo pwedeng taasan, kung ano ma yung 6.352, tama ba? Oo. Na trillion budget. Hindi mo pwedeng taasan yon. You can only move things around but you can never change it. So, siguradong may babawasan. So, tingnan na lang natin kung saan. Basta, we stand by our committee report. Diba? Gusto mo magpayak? Parang akap.
Balik ko lang po sa OVP budget, ma'am. Ma'am, para sa transparency, pwede bang malaman sino-sinong senators yung nag-insist na dagdagan ng budget? At nagkabotohan po ba?
Basta we had a mutual agreement that I was already going to present the findings, the committee report, and we're going to vote on it, diba? On second and third reading. So pagkatapos ko present ang argument, may mga nag-object, may mga nag-suggest, but at the end of the day, we all agreed, or the majority of us agreed and voted on it. So I think the best is really to ask them one-on-one what probably their reservations or support was for it. But this is the Senate's version right now. And we agreed, we had a consensus.
So, nagbotohan, ma'am, sa...
Walang botohan. Parang, wag na tayong, anong opinion mo, ganyan. And then in the end, parang, okay na. Okay. I mean, di ba minsan, okay, you're passionate about something. But you realize also, you have to accommodate reason, and you also have to make compromises. Okay? So there are others, and I think it's better to hear it directly from them, who had reservations. And we said, listen, ito, meron pa silang pondo para gawin yung medical assistance or kung ano man yung kailangan nilang tulong. Pero yung proposal mo para taasan ng ganito at taasan ng ganyan na tumutulong din, na-adapt natin, ha? So, syempre may kanya-kanya. 'Di ba? Like, yung mga proposals for other programs of the government that they are very passionate about, they realize that we restored it. So, may mga ganon na pag-uusap rin. Dahil, 'di ba, parang sa bahay, ganito lang karami yung ulam mo, 'di ba? Pero nakikita mo na merong mga mas payat, mas may sakit, pero gutom ka pa. Parang, hindi, ako talaga yung may pinakamalaking ambag dyan. Dapat ako may pinakamalaking kuha, pero naiisip mo na mas may pangangailangan ito at yan, at para sa pagkakasundo ng isang pamilya, ng isang bahay, you always have to make compromises.